Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. As my touchpad is stopped working automatically and it is even not working. So in this video, if you are facing the similar issue, this video is for you. I will show you 5 steps to fix this issue easily. So let's begin step by step. First step is we are going to hard reset our system. I mean the socket errors related to motherboards, it will be fixed after applying this method. Remove all the external cables from your system, laptop, even mouse and other things, and press and hold the power button for 30 seconds until you shut down your laptop properly. Basically, this will discharge all the socket errors and motherboard errors, and this will help our software to connect hardware properly and fix the issue properly on the system. Once you see all the power is gone and it is completely shut down, just leave your system for 10 to 15 seconds and make sure all the external cables are removed from your laptop, and thereafter just turn it on. And as you can see here, few updates are also pending on my system, so let that happen also and then I will show you. Now issue has not been resolved yet with the step number 1, so let's move on to the step number 2 now. In the step number 2, just we need to press window here, window key, and type here touchpad settings and open this option with the enter. And once you see this option, use your tab arrow key to highlight this option, and once this option is highlighted, press enter here, and then you can select the option reset. Press tab arrow key and then press enter, and it will reset your setting and hopefully your issue will be fixed. If reset is not working for you and this is off like this, then I will show you how you can fix this. Press window and S button, type a touchpad, press enter, and now it is highlighted. Press this space key to enable this option, and you can see we have disabled it and then we can enable it, and hopefully the issue should be fixed now. So this is the step number 3 and 2. If this option is also not working, what we can do is we can go to the device manager here. So press window or X key and choose the option from drop down to device manager here. Even you can press window and type here device manager simply and open the device manager. Now once you see the device manager, you need to look for mice and other pointing devices. Use the tab arrow key here and then look for the mice and other pointing devices. Use the down arrow key and let me just plug in the mouse. If you have the additional mount, then well and good, you can try that, but you should have this option, mice and other pointing devices. Once this option is highlighted, use the right arrow key, then choose the first option with the down arrow key and press the enter. Now it is selected. Use tab arrow key, and once the general tab is highlighted, use the right arrow key to look for the driver. Then use the tab arrow key to go down here, and once the update driver is highlighted, press enter. Search automatically first option, press enter, and if it is saying already installed, then you can close this by close that option. Again choose the same option, and this time choose browse my computer with tab arrow key, then press enter. Choose let me pick from a list of available drivers with the tab arrow key. It is highlighted. Now press enter, and now again choose the option tab and use the latest one, then press enter. It is installed now. Close is already highlighted, and now see if that is working for you or not. If that is still not working for you, since we are on this page, you can look for the options to uninstall the driver here, this option, and press enter and click on uninstall. And once uninstall is done, press Alt and F4 to close this, and now restart your PC. Press Ctrl, Alt and Delete button together and use your tab arrow key until you see the power options. Press enter. Use the down arrow key to restart your Windows, and while on a restart it will load the driver automatically on your computer, and see if this step is able to fix your issue or not. If still not, then we can move on to next step now. If the issue is still persist and your touchpad is not working, then in that case you can go to the check for update drivers. Press window button again and type a check for update. Press the first option to enter, and simply use the tab arrow key to highlight the option of check for update, then press enter, and this will load the pending drivers on your computer. And once updates are done, again you can press Ctrl Alt Delete, or you can press Ctrl Alt and F4, again Alt or F4, and then use right arrow key to restart and press enter and restart your Windows, and hopefully this will fix the issue if any pending updates on your system. What if this is also not working in your case? Then you can check the hardware, the key on your keyboard. If there is any touchpad on your keyboard, you can enable with the function and that key, and see if that is enabling or disabling the touchpad on your system. Okay, so this is the solution, guys, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.